Hello peeps, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to carry on showing you new things that you can expect in Mastercam 2023 that is going to be released later on this year. And in today's video I'm going to show you what CNC software improved in Solid Manager and also what was improved in importing, exporting 3D models and other files. Okay, so let's first jump straight to Mastercam 22 and let's try to open some 3D models or some files. And I'm going to start with JT files. And this is the OpenCAD file developed by Siemens, and you can contain informations like solids, meshes, wireframe geometry, dimensions, annotations, assemblies, everything in this file. And you cannot open these files in the versions including Mastercam 2022. However, it is possible now to open this file in Mastercam 2023. So this is a good improvement. I like it. There are other files that you can't open in Mastercam 22 and you can open them in 23. So additive manufacturing file, no chance. PDF files, no chance. However, you can open them in Mastercam 2023. You can load them to design window here. And as well, for example, wavefront files, you can't open those in Mastercam 22. And there are of course other improvements, and let's now quickly jump into Mastercam 2023 and let's try to do the same thing. Okay, so as you see, we are in Mastercam 2023 and I'm going to start with JT files. That is OpenCAD file from Siemens, and to open that in Mastercam 2023 is not a problem. Let's see the statistics, what it is, and it is a mesh STL file. And also we can open JT file that will have solids in it. So if we run statistics on this file, that's 11 solids. Okay, so it's like a small assembly. Another good format that you can open now is additive manufacturing format, and it is widely used format in 3D printing. So this is also good to have in Mastercam, and these files are meshes. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. Oh, that's a good one. So the IPT file is Autodesk Inventor file, and in the previous version of Mastercam we couldn't open this file without having Autodesk installed on your computer. Autodesk or Autodesk Inventor Viewer. And let's switch to Mastercam 22, and just to show you, you can't open or read this file without Inventor or Inventor View installed on your machine. That's another file that you can open in new Mastercam 2023. Okay. So there is another new thing that I wanted to show you in Mastercam 2023. Okay, so I've got this assembly here, and it is a SolidWorks assembly. So instead of loading all these files, you load this file, solid assembly. Okay, SolidWorks assembly, and this file contains all the locations or positions for each of this part. So let's load the assembly file, and this is what I like. Okay, one part is missing, I know that. Okay, so if we go to Solid Manager, we have this new option here to group things together. You put 3D models in separate folders. That makes your working with Solid more organized. And if you like keeping things organized as I do, this option will definitely help you with busy assemblies. And instead of having all 3D models listed in one long list, you can group them together and put them in folders. So at the moment, I loaded the SolidWorks file, and as you see, I've got two rollers, and Mastercam created the group or the folder, and those two rollers are in this one folder. And I didn't have to create those groups myself. Mastercam created those groups automatically, and Mastercam will create those folders for every assembly that you open in Mastercam 2023. Our assembly here is very simple, but you can see how things are well organized. In this group we also have 2 pins. Nice. Another nice thing is when you click on the 3D model, so let's say on this pin here, Mastercam will open the group and will show you the part in the group. This is small change in Mastercam, but all those small changes help. And look at that, the roller, and also Mastercam will open the group and will show you what 3D model it is or what solid file it is. Okay, so now let's use this assembly as the next one, and this is the JT file, so it's OpenCAD file, and all these parts are grouped also in folders. So you see there are sub-assemblies and it is all well organized, and even if I want, I can click on one of the items and Mastercam will show me where it is, okay, in a folder. So that's great, and I really like it. It will make working with assemblies and sub-assemblies a lot easier. Okay, so there are 2 parts here, so it's great. Another one new thing that you can see in Mastercam 2023 is that you can open files that have annotations or PMI on it, so the product model information. So if I go and quickly open a file, now look at this. This is the 3D model, and you can actually open the 3D model. As you see here is a step file. So you can open the step file with the annotations. Okay, and of course you can delete those. And another nice thing is that all the annotations go to a separate level, so you can just remove it. You can add your own sizes and you can save it as well. So let's put this dimension here. And let's save as a step file. So now if I go and reopen it, you have it with the dimension. Okay, however, it is the annotation, so you can't alter that. You see, you don't have possibility to move it or open it. It just doesn't work. Another new thing that you can see in Mastercam 2023 is that you can export stock model to different format, not only STL. Let's go to stock model, drop down menu. You can export this to convert it to a mesh or export it to a file. And we have now more formats to choose from. Okay, so let's say we're gonna do that. Now if we go Mastercam, let's try to open this file. See here, you can preview it. You can see your stock, open it. And this is your rough stock. Very interesting new option is loading PDF format files. Okay, so these are like standard PDF with drawings. You can load anything you want, but I'm talking about technical drawings, and I've got a quite nice use of it. So if I go and drag PDF to Mastercam 2023, it will basically open my drawing. So what can I do with this? First, I want to see what is the scale. Okay, so the scale is here, and as you see, it is 2:1. Okay, so this drawing is double the size. So before I do anything, I want to have the proper size of it. So I'm going to scale this drawing, scale all that, and I'm going to use a 0.5. Okay, so half a size. I'm going to move, and now if I measure it, that's cool. This is really cool. So if I measure this size, look at that, it's 14.5. So this is the PDF, okay? Look at that, 6 mil. This 27 mil is 27. So that's great. And basically you have your geometry here. So what you can do is just set the machine operation, and contour it, chain it, so the depth is, what is it? Let's say 6 mil minus 6. Look at that. We can machine PDF. That's awesome. Okay, that's cool. And sometimes you get the job to program in without the 3D model. The customer doesn't have a 3D model, and you have to draw everything yourself. Sometimes you have to create the 3D model yourself. In this way, you can just open PDF in Mastercam. You can measure missing sizes, and yeah, that's great. I think it is really good option, and it is worth playing with, yeah. Of course, we need to remember to scale the size to the proper dimensions. You know, measure the dimension and make sure that it's all good. Okay guys, that's all for today. It was just a quick update regarding the new file types that you can open in Mastercam 2023. And more about Mastercam 2023 soon. Stay tuned. Take care.